The forces of nature, understanding and mitigating natural disasters. Nature's forces: earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions are both awe-inspiring and devastating. These powerful phenomena shape our world, but they also pose significant risks to human life and infrastructure. While natural disasters cannot always be prevented, scientific advancements help us predict and mitigate their impacts, allowing individuals and communities to prepare effectively. Predicting natural disasters. Scientists use various methods to forecast natural disasters. Meteorologists analyze atmospheric conditions to predict hurricanes, tornadoes, and severe storms. They use satellite imagery, radar technology, and computer models to estimate the strength and path of storms. Similarly, seismologists study tectonic movements to assess earthquake risks, using seismic monitoring systems to detect early warning signs. Volcanologists monitor gas emissions, ground deformation, and seismic activity to predict eruptions. While these methods have improved over time, nature remains unpredictable, and precise forecasting remains a challenge. Mitigating the impact. Governments, scientists, and engineers work together to minimize the damage caused by natural disasters. Building earthquake-resistant structures, reinforcing coastal defenses against tsunamis, and designing flood control systems help protect lives and property. Warning systems, evacuation plans, and emergency preparedness drills ensure that people can respond quickly in the face of danger. For example, Japan has advanced earthquake early warning systems, while coastal regions prone to hurricanes use storm surge barriers and improve drainage infrastructure. Empowering individuals and communities. Understanding the risks associated with natural disasters allows people to take proactive measures. Staying informed through weather alerts, having emergency kits, and knowing evacuation routes can save lives. Community preparedness programs educate residents on how to respond effectively to disasters. Additionally, governments implement policies to enforce safe building codes, manage land use, and develop disaster response strategies. While nature's forces are powerful and unpredictable, scientific knowledge and preparedness can reduce their impact. By staying informed and taking precautionary steps, individuals and communities can enhance their resilience, safeguarding lives and property against the ever-present threats of natural disasters.